What happens to your body when you squat 100 times every day? What if I told you dedicating just minutes a day could transform your body and supercharge your fitness? Welcome to the world of squats, a compound movement with life-changing results when done consistently. Stick around to uncover how squats can reshape your body and unlock powerful benefits. Squatting every day builds serious strength in your lower body. Your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and even your calves will feel the burn as they grow stronger and more defined. Over time, you'll notice improved power, not just in workouts, but in everyday activities like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Daily squats also recruit your core muscles. Your abs and lower back stabilize your movements, giving you a bonus workout. You'll start feeling tighter and more stable, essential for overall functional fitness. Squats engage multiple muscle groups, making them calorically expensive. Completing 100 squats a day can lead to noticeable calorie burning. Over weeks, you may see your body becoming more lean and toned if paired with the right nutrition. Moreover, increasing muscle mass from daily squats ramps up your metabolism. Even at rest, your body will torch more calories, helping you achieve long-term fat loss and improved energy levels. Performing squats daily enhances your joint health and flexibility. You'll notice better hip and ankle mobility, making movements smoother and pain-free. Stronger, more stable joints dramatically lower the risk of injury, both in exercise and day-to-day life. Additionally, daily practice improves posture as squats teach your body proper alignment and balance. Say goodbye to slouching and hello to better confidence. You've discovered the transformative power of squatting daily. Now it's time to take action. Challenge yourself to 100 squats every day for 30 days and witness the results. Share your progress in the comments and inspire others to join this empowering journey. Your stronger, fitter self awaits. Start today.